Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Michelle Christine Marie, 28 years old, and single parents. We are four in my family and I'm second eldest. I am undergraduated Philippine Academy of Scientific Trade. I am Catholic. My working experience in the Philippines. My hobbies in playing badminton and sing. And I want to go abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. And I will do all my best duties, responsibilities. I'm honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon. Ma'am, sir, thank you.